Well, we're going to set some bear baits.
We picked this spot because of the trees. We got excellent place to chain our bait and our beaver bazookas. Patent pending.
Patent pending. There they are. The idea is the bear can taste, but he can't take. And
we're gonna cut a trail in there right now. And we're going to get our bait set up, and then we're going to go back and we're going to get the stand and the camera and set that all up, and we're going to go start another site too.
That's right.
All before dark.
All before dark. Let's get at her. Quite get set up before dark in the rain last night, so we're back at her this morning, and we've just loaded our patent pending beaver bazooka with one said beaver. The idea is they can smell it, lick it, touch it, but you can't get it. So we'll see if they actually work.
This is the first trial. We might have to make modifications. I think this is a great idea though.
Yeah.
And it is, what's the date today? It's 2017, June something.
June 10.
So, this is our idea.
Yeah, don't steal it. There's the other one on the quad. So, let's get her done. View from the stand. We're 10 yards away from that bait.
Good day. We're out here in northern Saskatchewan bear hunting, setting baits, getting everything prepped. It's rainy out, as you can tell, and cool, and kind of crappy and cold. But we come in, we marked our trailhead where our path is to our site that we've cleared out. Later on today, on our way back, we'll take this marker, we'll get rid of it, we'll move it up a couple hundred yards, 3, 4, even 1,000 yards, and mark it there where we can park the bikes when we come in to hunt. How about that?
Well, we're all done setting baits. We're just on the trail here. We'll just walk you down and show you what we've done here. There's kind of a natural game trail coming down here. So all we did was widen it a bit. Did some clearing. There's our oat barrel we got to bring out. We cleared all this out. Danger! I heard something. So, here's our little clearing we made. There's our stand, easy access from the trail. Here's our pump can full of cherry juice that we're going to spray our back trail with. There's the site right there. So all in all, we'll have about a 10-yard shot if everything goes well. There's the barrel, the beaver bazooka, patent pending. Oh, camera set up there. And there's the ladder stand. Clint's making everything smell good. Don't get any on me, brother. So with any luck, this place will be loaded with bears next weekend when we come back. Well, we got our ground blind site finished. Basically, we found a nice clearing just off the main trail. We're back about, I don't know, 100 yards or so off the main road.
With the Beaver Bazooka.
Beaver Bazooka, oats, donuts, blueberry crack, fryer grease.
Cherry juice sprayed all over the place. It's strong.
So
Thick.
here's hoping. If there's any bears in this godforsaken land, how could they possibly resist?
I want to eat it.
Me too.
You're masquerading as a friend. It's come down to a bloody end.
Well, we're all loaded up, heading up to hunt bears. Set baits last weekend. It's Thursday today. There will be blood.
It's going to be cold. How about that?
How about that? We're gonna get up there to, I don't know, probably by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, get set up, rebait, and maybe even do some hunting tonight.
Forecast looks amazing. 40% chance of a millimeter. We can live with that. That's better than last weekend.
Yeah, so we'll keep you posted. Peace. The bush. She's a little wet. What do you think, Clint?
Yeah. Squirty, man.
Oh, keep her on the road, man. Keep her out of the shoulder, too. Well, wish us luck. Well, we're all loaded up, going to rebait, getting ready to hunt tomorrow. Check the camera, see what's in there. That big bruiser.
Spread our cherry juice around.
We're all loaded up here. We got to ride double on this thing, so.
Same weather again. It was sporty getting in here.
So, we're going to quickly go dump off some bait and then set up camp. Peace. Well, game on. We're all geared up, heading into the stand for our first hunt after all the work.
After all the pictures, all the bait, the scent, it's not a bad day. It's about the same day it's been every day for the last week. Cold, misty.
Rain seems to be holding off though.
Bugs aren't too bad. We got our thermocells.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Check you on the flip side.
Differ, but they do not change. Well, every day is different, but somehow feels the same. Oh,
Get another arrow. Get another arrow. You spined him. Well, tell us what happened, Clint.
Well, the chocolate one come in. Come up nice broadside. Shot. I pulled right.
Pulled left.
So he's out there. He's down somewhere.
We know for sure he's spined. Maybe we caught back of lungs or liver, so we're gonna give him lots of time. Pretty intense, man.
Very.
So yeah, we'll give him an hour or so and see if we can find him. Hopefully he's dead. If not, we'll see what kind of brass balls you got, brother.
You want me to go out there and look for a bear that's shot with an arrow?
Well, there's not much of a choice now. So. Until then. Well, we're tracking the bear. We gave him about 40 minutes. We found blood, and there's not a whole bunch, but it's a lot more promising than I first thought. We're hoping that we clip that artery, the spine artery.
Definitely looks like it.
So, we're going to keep on following it here. Well, we're back at camp. We had lunch. We went in after that bear. Didn't really catch up to him. Blood was kind of drying up. So, we've decided to hunt the other stand for this evening. Leave him and go back in the morning. Get back on that blood trail and get him. No sense pushing him any farther.
So right now we'll go to another active bear site.
My turn. Let's see. Well, we're all set up. Got the ground blind up. Bait's out there. Be about a 22-yard shot. The bait absolutely destroyed. Beaver's gone. Obviously the beaver bazooka needs some work. So, now we wait.
It's killing me, I don't seem to care. The smell of stale cigar smoke still fills the air as I wonder, have I always been like this? To reap what I did sow now, to catch the devil's bliss. Maybe when I back down, turn around, it's over, I guess. To reap what I did sow now.
Saturday. We've come in after the wounded bear and it's not looking good. Blood trail's more or less gone. He's been up and down and through the thickest shit.
They should open up a Tim Hortons right here.
Yeah. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're gonna find him, which sucks, but I guess at least we know that he's not dead. Or assume anyway, I guess. We've come quite a ways though, so if we had hit vitals, we would have caught up to him by now.
Yeah.
So, I guess that's
The one that got away.
a hard lesson learned for us. But unfortunately, sometimes part of hunting. So, we're going to get out of here and get back at her, I guess. What do you think, Clint?
Yep. We want to be out of here before it gets dark, that's for sure.
Well, I'd say so. Well, got him. Got into the stand here about 5-ish. Been here about an hour. Was actually dozing off and opened my eyes and there he was, so I waited and I got a pretty good shot on him. He didn't go 50 yards, he's just laying over there. I'm gonna go see if he's down. Maybe find my arrow. Stay tuned. There's my arrow. Just coated in blood. He ran through here. There he is, right up there on the trail. I can see him from here. Well, got her out. Young sow. She's probably what? I don't know, 2 years old, 3 years old. No cubs yet, so that's good. There's the entrance hole right there, right behind the shoulder. Just a perfect shot. That Muzzy X4 laid her right down. So I'm gonna get her tagged and now the work starts, I guess. I can't help but wonder how Clint's making out. Well, he's all tagged up. I tried lifting him up to get him on the back rack, but he's a little heavy, so I'm just gonna drag him out of here, or at least to some place where I can back the quad up to a ditch and pull him on. I don't really want to drag him the whole way on the dirt because it'll mess up his hide. So when I get it loaded, I'll show you what I did. Bye. Well, back at camp. Got a fire going. Gonna start at taking care of this guy, but ended up having to drag him back, which sucks because I really scuffed him up, but what are you gonna do? More concerned about the meat at this point anyhow. Right, Christine? So, in about 10-15 minutes or so, I'm gonna go pick up Clint, see how he made out, and then we'll get this bad boy taken apart. So, 2017 bear hunt, baby. My first bear, my first bow kill. Outstanding. Check in a bit. Over. What happened, Clint?
Well, I arrowed a bear here. And this doesn't go viral, but yeah, Mama Bear was out there, I guess, somewhere, and he come in, and so I double lunged him. Great shot. He ran 20 yards behind me, right under my stand. Really good, pumped, jacked. Have a cigarette, go down, drag him out. All of a sudden, Mama shows up. Chases me back up here with my fucking rifle. So I've been sitting here for an hour and a half with an angry Mama Bear running around here.
Well, why are you shooting cubs? Huh?
Listen, man. Listen. I'm treed from a Mama Bear right now.
Well, let's get that fucking bear and get out of here.
Fucking rights, man. I'm so happy to see you. So happy.
Congratulations, man.
And to you too, my friend.
Thank you.
Is your bear going to be hard to get?
It's at camp.
What?
I got it at camp.
Data boy. Let's get 2 bears at camp then.
That's right.
Okay, I'm going to hand you the rifle and I'm going to come down, okay?
Okay, cut.
little bit better.
Well, Clint, we're all done.
Not quite yet. You
Got
gotta
our-
get out of your birds.
Got our bears. It's a little wet getting out, as you can see.
Yeah, that's how much it rained.
But hey, a little weather isn't gonna stop us.
Nope.
But the muddy roads might.
You couldn't even drink the rain away. Tried.
Well, 2017 bear hunt was a fucking blast and a resounding success. So let's do it again next year and every year.